Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. I'm standing here in our beautiful showroom in Houston, Texas. By the way, if you live in Houston or you live in DFW, I'd like to help you with your window or door project. If you live somewhere else, I have a long, great list of great window companies. Check out jeffslist.com. Maybe I know somebody near you. We're going to talk today about the Infiniti from Marvin sliding door. You know, sliding doors are really, really popular right now. And you say, Jeff, why is that? Well, look to your right here. See, this is a French door. This is a hinge door. And if you notice on a hinge door, you know, you're going to have a lot of frame and you're going to lose some glass. But on a sliding door, you're going to have very little frame, very narrow frame, right? See this, very narrow, and a lot of glass. And so if you've got something that you know, I want to look out and see my pool, or I want to look into the backyard. Maybe you live in the beautiful mountains of Colorado or North Carolina. You might want a beautiful sliding door. Now, granted, you don't want just any sliding door, because you know sliding doors, if you're old enough to remember, sliding doors, if they're not very good, they don't roll very well, they're hard to open, they get sort of hard, and after a while the track gets funky and you got to keep oiling it. But when you get a high quality, high performance, ultra premium sliding door like the Infiniti from Marvin, you're going to have a lifetime product here. You know, these things are probably going to last about 50 years. We don't know for sure because they've only been around for a little over 20 years, but we know that these composite materials are very, very durable, and they are the strongest materials when you talk about exposure to sun, exposure to cold, exposure to temperature swings. I mean, for example, if you live somewhere up north where it gets really, really cold, like maybe 30 degrees below zero at night, and then it warms up in the day and the sun hits your window or your door and it warms up into the 30s, that can be a 50, 60, 70 degree swing in 12 hours. That's a big swing, and that's really, really hard on components like windows and doors. So if you have a product that's inferior, like a cheap builder grade window, you say, my window is warped, it's twisted, it's leaking, it won't close, I feel cold air coming through it. It's probably because of the quality of the materials. So when you talk about fiberglass, right, this is a composite. This is not an extruded product, this is a pole-truded product. Now, I made several videos about their windows, and if you watch this video is going to teach you why I call this the future of window and door technology, because fiberglass, especially the really heavy gauge, high quality stuff like you see here, made by Infiniti, is definitely the future of window technology. So you're really going to want to check that out. Now, this is a beautiful finish. This is their black, if you want to call it that. They call it a different name. They call it Ebony, but it comes in many different colors. If you notice here, we've got several colors. In fact, we have 7 exterior colors that you can choose from, and then we have 5 interior colors. One of them is what we call Everwood, and I really like Everwood because what it is a composite wood. It's not real wood. It looks like wood. It acts like wood. It stains like wood. It paints like wood. Okay, and it's not a veneer. It's actually a polymer impregnated onto the surface of the fiberglass, and you can actually stain this. And this is moisture resistant. No problem with moisture here. I mean, if this thing were to get wet, it's not going to expand or contract. It's not going to rot. Not going to mildew. You don't have to worry about termites. You don't have to worry about anything, insects. This is why they call it Everwood. It looks like wood is going to last darn near forever. Now, as far as glass options are concerned, any of the high quality glass package performance that you get from the top tier brands like Marvin are going to be available to you in this product. And also, when it comes to hardware, we've got, you know, a couple of choices, and then of course we have some matching colors. One of the things I want to point out is that this finish is an acrylic finish. A lot of companies like Pella, they don't use acrylic finishes on their fiberglass. This is a much better look. I've talked about that. In fact, here's a good video comparing those two because everybody knows who Pella is. If you've considered Pella, you should also consider Infiniti. It's not for everyone, but it's something you should consider. The finishes are nicer. The hardware is really well built. The way this is integrated into the entire complex of windows and doors, these guys have really nailed it. They've really got it done. I want to point out a couple things to you. When it comes to the safety and security of this door, I want you to see how when I lock this door, it's actually got 2 different hooks. This one goes up, that one goes down. In other words, you've got these 2 working against each other. Used to be in the old days, you could just lift the sliding door off of its lock. Remember? I shouldn't be admitting I did that. But those two engage over here onto the receiver side. If you notice here, here's a receiver. One goes in from the bottom, the other one comes in from the top. We got some really strong screws that go deep here into this hardware, and that's what gives it the security. Another thing I want to point out is when I close this door, I've got right here another lock, so I can just lock this side. If you notice here, I'll lift up on this, and that engages there, and another one here. Like, here's the thing, some other companies don't put it here. It's way up here. Well, how are you going to reach that? So internally here, there's a mechanism that goes up to the top, but they left this here where it's accessible. For me, it's right at about eye level so that you don't have to try to get on a ladder or a stool to go up there and latch that door. So what that does is it makes this side permanent, and I can make this side my day-to-day operable side of this lock. Now, if I wanted to have a big party, we're having friends over, obviously I can undo this and I can swing that open. And now I've got this nice big, nearly 8-foot wide opening. And by the way, you can also get screens for these. So if you like to have your doors open and you want to be able to get the air through here, this allows you to do that as well. One last thing, and then I'm going to let you go. Come check this out really close. This right here is like a hollow, spongy, silicone type based weather stripping. So you can see how that's all the way, runs all the way up and down the side of that. And if you look over here on this end, right here, there's like a groove right there. And this right here is going to sit and press right up against that, so that when I close this door, it's almost closing like you would consider a refrigerator door closing. I put that lock on there, those two hook together, and now I've got a really good tight seal. And that helps make sure that my wind ratings, my air leakage, the chance of any water coming through are definitely minimized when you're talking about a really ultra premium, high quality product like this. Now, it's only available at some very exclusive dealers. You're not going to find this everywhere. This is Marvin's flagship replacement product, and there's about 120 or 130 partners across the country. If you wanted to find someone who sells this product and you want a special offer for the viewers of my YouTube channel, you can go to buyinfiniti.com. Now, if you're not interested in this, you're just interested in a great window company near you that sells a lot of different kinds of windows, like I said, go to my other website, jeffslist.com. I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you again real soon.